Everything should be proper. Let me check the quality. Okay, so this stream, I was doing this before I started streaming, but since I'm nearly done, no dropped frames, lovely. Since I'm nearly done, I figure I will continue quickly. I'm just cleaning up this code. This shouldn't take too much longer. Oh, is that how much I highlighted? Yes, it is. Okay. So, for those of you who may watch this, I don't even know if I'll be keeping these streams after I do them. What I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning up this code in my classes because I'm taking programming in college. I've been taught ways to present code where it's clean, easier to understand, and it makes it easier to know what's being read, because when you're in a job, it's better. Well, that's what we're told, that uh, it looks better when you have clean code. Oops, when you have clean code. So basically, what I'm doing for cleaning is wait, hold on. Okay, between operators and operands, you have a space typically, and that's what I'm doing when operators are plus, minus, divide. Wait, plus, minus, multiply, divide, mod, equals, equals, not equals, and or. For in-stream, O-stream, those are operators, and operands are basically like numbers, like 512, fail safe, invalid. This double ampersand is an and statement saying while this statement line 556 says while invalid and failsafe is less than 512. Some people would actually put parentheses around the and statement because an and statement is very dependent. Like you can think of it as it's very powerful. Both of those need to be less than 512. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off auto lock on my phone here for a second so it doesn't keep going out. Making quest though. Oh, okay. Pop up. I don't know what pop up there would have been. Oh, okay. But yeah, I'm gonna start this stream just with clean. I'm almost done. Like, yeah, it shouldn't take me long. I'm typically pretty good at doing this. Just basic cleaning. Curly braces are best on bottom. Because for one, you see when I put the cursor by it, you can see where whenever there's an opening brace, there's always a closing brace. If there isn't a closing brace, then you got a problem. So putting them on the same line like that is better. It was typical practice to not do it that way. And what I'm doing here is a personal thing. You could have this entire if statement on a long line, but that's pretty ugly. So I'm just doing that since that. Oh, that goes to that if. Okay, so he actually, I don't know, I don't think he needs the curly brace for this. How an if, else, for, while statements work is this if will read the direct line below it. It won't count this line down here because this is part of the if statement. Notice you got this parenthesis and this parenthesis matched up. It'll read the line directly below it. Like, this is why Moosh here didn't have this return false inside curly braces under the if, because if you have a single statement, you don't need to have that. Now I'm actually going to put a space here so it's easy to read. See right here, double equals, that's an operator, so it's good to put spaces. This is an or statement. The double equals means equivalent, and a lot of new programmers tend to mix up double equals and equals. Equals, like a single equals. Single equals means you're setting the left value you're setting the left value the value of the right value. So it's very bad if you mix them up because that is a completely different meaning. And I don't remember making that mistake much when I was learning, but I've helped a lot of other people with it and telling them, yeah, you do not want to mess that up. And I like to put spaces between statements like ifs, elses, whiles, and such. Yeah, putting these spaces definitely makes it easier to read, I think. Not only that, but I'm standardizing the entire script, meaning there's no inconsistencies. And I've noticed that there were a number of inconsistencies in here. Alright, this is a bit awkward, this or. Here's what I'll do. I will do this. That's a very awkward situation, but I think that's fine. Switch sequential. Alright, see you later, Zach. Once I'm done with this, I'll get into the actual creation of the quest. Is OBS still running fine? I'm only in this, so nothing strenuous. See this 4, oof. This 4 looks hard. It's hard to look at, I mean. But when you do this, now you can clearly see everything. When everything's all squished up like that, it can be harder to see. Question, if I put my cursor here. Yeah, see, if I put my cursor here, it won't line them up. And even here it won't. But if you put on the same line, it defines the line there. And, you know, it just looks better aesthetically. And obviously people that didn't learn coding from anything other than themselves, you would just program however you want. So actually, wait, would I need that? This for loop doesn't need curly braces because, like ifs and elses, it reads the line directly below it. So since this for loop only has a single statement, you wouldn't need braces. And I was thinking if this if needed it, but it does because these two are two different. They're two independent things. If I took away the ifs braces, it would say if this, but run this no matter what. But by keeping it in the if, it'll only run this if this runs if it satisfies that those parameters. I never thought I'd be talking programming on YouTube, but here we are. Oh man, and it's actually funny. My professors would tell us that this is how people would program, putting the curly braces next, like right here, like next to it. It looks like it does highlight it, but it just looks so much nicer like this. See, like this is two commands now inside that for, so I can't take away that curly brace. Generally with whiles, whether it's one line or not, you would keep both curly braces because whiles are special. There are 3 components of a while. You have the condition. Well, you have the initial set, the condition, and then the updater. Obviously, with a game like this, the updater is the check it does every frame of you playing the game. The updater is what actions you do in the game. So you probably could do or not single line, but no parentheses there. But I'm gonna keep them just to be safe. And I like to have spaces after each statement like that, and between statements like this and other statements. Oh, he set that nicely. See, he's kind of inconsistent. He put spaces here, but yeah. The guy knows how to code, but it's not the cleanest code. Showing the making of your main quest, or you're making. Wait, what? Before. Kind of showing the make. Well, what this stream is. Ooh, I can remove this. What I'm doing is I'm streaming I'm still on my mini quest. Ah, crap. In fact, this script I'm editing right here is something I got last night. I think this is the last method, right? No, okay, there's not much here. There's not many people watching, so I might as well do this. Plus, this is gonna bother me. I was hoping to do this during the day and not during this, but whatever. If you guys don't want to watch, you don't want to watch. It's no problem. But yeah, in my quest, what I'll be doing is oh, okay, that's what he did. Oh, wow, interesting. Okay. Um, I am doing secrets. If you've been reading any of these method titles, switches organize, switches link on. This is a switch script. When you have the secrets on screen, like hitting a button to lower a peg or something, those kinds of secrets. And I learned how to. Oops! I learned how to use the one in here that I'll be using. I forgot what it's called. I think it's. Oh wait, it's remote switches. So let's see here. I can remove this one. Okay, that looks good. Switch order. Okay. Bool switch. Yeah, each of these are functions or methods. They're I was always taught that they're well. There really is no difference. Functions, methods, same. The term function and method are used interchangeably. But when I learned Java, we used the term method more. So if you ever hear me say function or method, it's pretty much the same thing. That's what these are. Bool is the type. This is the name, and then these are the parameters, or yeah, the parameters, the value you're inputting into the function. This switches integer is used in here. You wouldn't be able to access this value without putting this in here, so you pass it in with this. Bool identifies the return type of the function. You notice it returns a true or a false. Those are Boolean values. Those are really good for, well, probably what this is for, saying is the switch hit or not, true or false. Very simple. You don't need to set integer values to anything. It's just cut and dry, true or false. Void means it won't return any value. You would typically use those if you're just doing a computation. You might use it to check other things, such as like, well, I don't know. It's really hard for me to talk about this while doing this, but a common use for void is when you want to return something to the screen. Obviously, in the context of a game, you don't ever see that situation that much. But with a lot of the programs I've had to make just from testing, ooh, okay, this is actually an interesting situation. I don't need these braces. The reason for that is because, like I said, this if will go one line below to this if. Else's are attached to previous ifs. So this else will automatically be... So if j is equal to switch order, the switch that's in index slot 1 in the switches array, actually it's the switch order array and what's switch in the switches array. So it's actually a nested array there. Well, not a nested array, that's not a thing. It will do this. Otherwise, it'll do this. I don't know if anything I'm saying is interesting, but it's also helping me remember everything. I don't really need help remembering this kind of basic stuff. This is like day 1 in a programming class right here. Well, not day 1. It's early stuff. It's very simple. It may seem complicated to those not knowing what's going on, but it's very simple. This if needs it, else, if, okay, that works. And then that connects with that for loop. That's a big for loop, holy crap. Also, I missed you. And you. There we go. If I have more interest in making it. If I decide to. Alright, see you later, Zach. This probably would be the next stream. Alright, well, once I'm done with this, let's get on to the quest. And, alright. That looks good. Although I am seeing an issue. I didn't set all this back a space. There we go. I have finally cleaned all this crap up. I will leave that open. And OBS is still working fine. Let's recompile it since it's been altered. So last night, I got this screen working just fine. Tile Warp A is cave item seller. You what now? It'd be B. Oh crap. I didn't fix you yet. Shoot, because I deleted the staircase last night. Alright, so B, blackout, 933, that's correct, let's go to it. Okay, I didn't change you, so, oh, you still have a, wait, what? Tie Warp A. That works. Huh, apparently that works. Let's recompile that script. Okay, compile, and no issues, lovely. Okay, so I'm only using Switch Remote. I'm not going to add any of these other ones until I need to, because I don't want to go through the work of setting them if I don't need to. Okay, let's just go screen by screen. Where do I... Uh-oh. Is that his issue? He said if you hit R. Oops. I thought he said that Van Rob said you could just hit rotate here. That's room type. Unless maybe I need to place it. I don't remember how to do that. No matter, I will copy you and paste you here. What was it? There was a way to... Uh-oh. There was a way to... Oh, that's E for edit. Okay. Oh, you can make a blank combo that way. Okay. A selects all. Interesting. You know, it would be good for me to just learn these shortcuts. Oh. I don't know what that did. Oh, that's CV. Okay. Oh. Did I rotate it? It looked like I rotated it. Oh, V is a vertical flip. Okay. I don't remember how to rotate this. Alright, have a good night, Zach. I don't remember how to rotate. R, R, R. It's not R. I thought it was O, maybe? Nope, okay. Well, I completely forgot how to rotate. Originally, I had them here. Okay, there we go. C. B. This is actually the wrong one for what I'm trying to do, so let's do this. Vertical flip. That's not a vertical flip, actually. That's like a... That's interesting. That's not what I thought it was. But now, I can do this. It's not the right orientation. This little bit here should be at the top. This is actually kind of messing with my mind looking at it like that. And now that's correct. This is the correct orientation. The right side isn't. Ooh, okay. This should be... I don't think I need to do anything. I already set these combos to, pound. I assume that just means when hit by hammer changes the next combo. Now let me check that actually. Where is it? Okay, yeah, because this tile set had a lot of issues for what was the next combo in the sequence. If I were to create a quest, would you help with scripting? I don't know if I'd be the best one to help you with scripting. Oh, here we go. I don't know if I'd be the best one to help you with scripting. Because... Oh, why is that? Oh, I actually tried to do this at one point. Because there's probably better people to teach you. I know basic programming practices, though. That I do know. Flag 16, so let's go ahead and place Mr. Flag 16 where I want it, which is going to be... Oh, I did that. Oh, okay. Good, I did that already. Let's test this, actually. I'm going to test this right now. I'm just going to drop my staircase here. Do a little save. Let's open good old Zelda class. Oh, whoops. I didn't hit OK. I don't think it matters, but I hit OK first. Okay, so let's load up Zelda Classic. I'm actually thinking... hold on. I'm going to make my life easier. Far easier, actually. I'm gonna have you open in windowed also. Type, please. Okay. Because I don't need it to open in full screen. It just takes longer for to load. No JPEGs, please. Those are disgusting. They're not disgusting, but they're not as good. There, this doesn't take as much processing power, and I can operate it better. Wow, why is that so loud? Man, why does that seem so loud? Alright, let's put you up here. Let's see if that... I just realized I don't have the hammer. I can't even test this. So let's just do a thing quickly. I want to see if I know how... I don't know where I was going with that. I need to see if this hammer peg situation works. So let's just default you with the hammer. There. Hey, weird dude. I'm not programming personnel, but I would do what you find. Start with a mini quest and go bigger one. Ah, okay. Alright, so now I have you defaulted with the hammer. Oh crap, I don't have an item slot for it. Hello? Am I unable to oh. No, why can't... Okay, you're being annoying. Ugh, you gotta go to the specific file. Switch to. Now I actually have control. God, apparently clicking isn't good enough anymore. Yeah, this was pretty foolish. I tried to give myself the hammer. I have the hammer. I just don't have an inventory slot for the hammer. Ergo, I do not have the hammer. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off the default because I don't want to forget. Because the hammer is supposed to be the item. Spoiler alert. It's supposed to be the item for the dungeon. So this should be a very simple... Did I do this? I did do this already. Hold on. Why did I do 17? Well, it does that automatically. Why didn't I just do 16? I made my life a little bit harder. Why are you under 16? That's why I did 17. Okay, I see. Oops. Watch this. I don't know if you really want to watch this. I mean, it's very... I don't know. I don't think it's very interesting. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Oh, that's wrong. What the heck was I doing here? This has to be... Oh, wait. No, that is... Is that correct? That is correct. Yeah, that is correct. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's go. That was under flag 16, I believe. So let's go 16. Bam. That works. Did I do you? What the heck is that? D. What is that? I don't know what that is. I just bumped D and it did that. Do I have this set properly? Let's check. Screen secrets. It looks like I set that. Is this close enough that I could test it right away? I could give myself 2 keys and test it that way. I'll be testing all these at once anyway. Hammer pegs, I got all my stairs working properly. I made that a staircase. This kind of ruins my continuity. I'm going to do this to hold it for later. Select combo. Let's put... How many spaces would I need for that? I would need 1, 2 spaces, so I'll put you here. Oops, wrong C-set. Okay. God dang it. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Okay, let's remove, or replace the spawning point for the staircase. Would that be the smart place to put it? Wait, why did I put the staircase there? So the reason what I'm doing right here is I like to have there's the way this dungeon's working. There's 3 layers. There's the layer with these tiles. This is the ground floor. There's this, which is 1 level up, and then this gray here is like the ceiling. You won't be walking on that. I like all the staircases being on the bottom. So as you can see here, this staircase is on the top. I do not want that way. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll to this combo. We are going to... How did I like to do this? I believe like this? Trying to think. Okay. Because essentially this would be like this. And then I would put one of my... Yeah, scrolling takes forever. Actually, page up takes less time. That... Hitting home did that. Interesting. Scroll all the way up so that I can get to my staircase, which is, by the way, facing the wrong way, unfortunately. Put you there. Ah, god dang it. There. Let's do this. Select. Oh, no, I did not mean to select combo. I meant to change your spawn location, which will be there. So essentially, the way this would be like this. So I'd have that. And so on and so forth. I'm sure there's a quicker way to do this, but this is the way I've been doing it. So, this is where it gets my own little thing gets a little confusing. How do I want to do this? Alright, have a good night, guys. That does not match. I'm just gonna kinda reset this. Okay, I'm kind of brain farting right now. This is the structure I'm trying to do right here. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. That's how I did it. It's literally just these. And then, hold on. How did I... Yeah, see, that's what I was trying to do with that. That's a little awkward. I'm gonna move all these over 1 tile. Shoot. There we go. Let's make it the right C set. Okay, now the reason I did that is because I'm going to be doing this. And just basically wrapping around the whole thing. I've been trying to make sure my aesthetics are consistent and, you know, are just generally good. Well, oh, what was I doing? That has to be that. Although this looks kind of odd. Doesn't it? It looks kind of bizarre. Well, I'll see what it looks like when I'm done. That'll tell me if I really want it this way. You would have to be this combo. Nope, that would be that combo. And then you would be here. What do I think of this? Looks kind of weird. Yeah, and if I'm going to do a setup like this, I could just make it a whole lot nicer. I don't know. I think I liked it the way it was better. Even if it isn't quite consistent, I just think it looked better. Didn't look as ugly. Yeah, that was perfectly fine the way it was. So I'll just go ahead and put it back to the way it was. And the only thing I need to make sure with this spot here is that hammer pegs are required to get down these stairs. Yeah, crap. Select combo, change tile set, bam. Alright. Oh, shoot. Change tile set, or C set again. because I need to set the spawn location here. Alright, that looks good. Wrong ladder style. Okay. This will be a... No. Well, actually, I do need to go in there. Hold up. Hold up item? Yeah, I'll have him hold up item. Actually, I do need to be in here. I wish I could just kind of scroll down to get all those. I don't know if I need the secret as permanent for that. That seems like I probably just don't need it. Okay, so I think I need to do this for this. Special item, and that special item is not a rupee, but a key. A normal, boring key, but very required. So this screen works. Alright, so this is simply a locked door. Now, apparently, locked doors use whatever the following combo is to replace them. So it looks like I already set it properly, so I don't need this. Why is there a random... What is this? Why do I have a tile warp A in the screen? That makes absolutely no sense. But this is correct. When you unlock this door, it'll be... That's this combo. It'll be replaced by this. Which, again, is the wrong way. Yeah. Okay, so here we have a lock block. I don't know... Apparently these also are replaced by the one after. So it'll automatically be replaced by this, and this will be replaced by that, I assume. So I shouldn't need any flags. Would I? Although I think I would. What do I have for the flag replacements? Yeah, I don't think that's correct. But I don't know what the correct solution would be. So this should be a fairly simple structure here. Let's go to screen data. Hold up item from ceiling. Enemies item. So that's the secret. Ooh, actually there is multiple secrets in this screen. You kill the enemies for the key, but you hit the switch for the stairs. So there's actually two secrets going on in this current screen. Also, I'm going to check if my stream is still streaming. Because very often it wouldn't be. And the audio sounds fine. Okay, good. Alright. Let's see. I am not sure... Tile warp B. Why are you telling me about tile warp B? Yes, there is no tile warp B. Stop telling me. Special key. Yeah, okay, so I'm actually not even sure how I'm gonna do this one. Because you... So I actually wouldn't need this. I would just set you to my ladder. This went flag 7. It goes 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 to 31. So this is flag 16. So let me see. Where do I have flag 16? Okay, that ain't good. We're gonna replace... We're gonna do this. Can I remove this too? No, that's inherently flag 16. Really? Inherently flag 16. I don't think I need this. Yeah, I don't want that. This is automatically a secret. It'll automatically trigger. So we're gonna do 16 here. And what I might do is just place a simple enemy. Just anything. Let's go, sure, a bat. Because that'll allow me to test out how this screen acts. Because I should be able to kill the bat, this will spawn, and nothing else would happen. And then I hit this, and then that's triggered. That's what should happen. Okay, so Good. Let's get this situation handled. Okay, so then flag 16 right there. And then because it's a different screen, I gotta reset what flag 16 is, which would be this puppy. That'll spawn right there when you hit the switch. It's a shortcut getting out from the long path in the basement that will happen. I think I finished this screen. 17 and 18. Oh yeah, I did that because they're two different situations. This combo. Oh, hold on. There's a better way I can do this. Let's select combo. Oh, that's ugly. And then we're gonna put you here now. There. So now this will quite simply put the pegs down. Let's remove these flags here. Okay, so I would go to step secret. Hold on, would this work? No. Would this work? Yeah, okay, I kind of just confused myself. Because when the secret is triggered, this is just a standard secret. I don't know if I actually need to set this, but I'll do it anyway to be safe. Okay. That doesn't look good. There we go. I kind of was just throwing stuff together before. So, and now I'm doing all the cleaning. This is when I polish it and everything. You know, get it functioning. Block puzzles I'm not going to worry about quite yet. Okay, so flag 16 will be the upstairs. Okay. And that's all that should be all I need to do there. This is a enemies kill, and then I need to set room type. This will be a special item. I think you need to do it this way. I'm not 100% sure if you do. But I will do it to be safe, because I don't want that key to be there until the enemies are killed. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give myself free range to these puzzles. So I'm just going to go here. I want to make sure that these puzzles all work. So I'm going to make them all accessible right now. I shouldn't even say puzzles because they're not puzzles. They're just triggers. I can get to the screen from the start. Well, I will test that peg, that switch. Well, I don't need to do that. Okay, let's go ahead and test this. How's OBS running? It's running just fine. Okay. It's cool that I can have all of this stuff running with OBS streaming and it works. Notice I don't have the map. That's how it should be. Wait, why did I have this? It's to test the switch. This should put that peg down. That's a problem. The switch itself wasn't updated with scroll to combo. Why didn't that do what it should have done? Not sure why that didn't do that. What I'm referring to is how when I hit the switch, notice it still looks unhit. Oh, this is so annoying. Well, I mean, the secret worked. And that's the important part. That's what I'm setting up. Yeah, and by the way, if anyone's wondering, this music is not going to be the same when the quest is released. I recently went through a lot of games to find the music I want for them, and I have a pretty good idea of what this music will be. And stairs, stairs, stairs. Uh-oh. That ain't right. That's right here. I did something wrong. Step secrets, okay. F5. Oh, you know, it helps when you actually put the flag. Did I put the flag down? You know, it helps when you put the flag down. You know, that definitely helps. Alright, so let's test all the other ones and see. Oh, well, yeah, I don't even know why I do that. I should just do this every time. Alright, so that, I never even placed the flag, so obviously that ain't gonna work. I removed the key from there. That's interesting. Okay, there was another one. I don't have the map. Dang it, I should default myself with the maps just while I'm testing. Yeah, because I'd have to come from those stairs. Man, I did not really think that one through. Okay, let's reset. Let's head back into here. So the flag has been set. We're gonna... So I can actually test that. Wait, I can't actually test it still. Now I can test it. Alright. Now let's test it. Okay. And those switches already know work. So I'm not concerned about that. Oh, shoot, wrong way. Don't get confused in your own dungeon now. Oh wait, let's test this one while I'm right here. And wow. I don't want that to be like that, because I never even touched the switch and it still did what it should have. And stairs were not made. Stairs. Yeah, okay, these switches are a little bit, Oh, turn it off. Okay. Believe it or not, I get copyrighted when I have that music played. Did I launch the quest? I did not. Good. Alright. So, this whole situation works. So I don't really need to be too concerned. Oops, that was not the right combo. Dang it. Gotta click fast. Okay, so let me just make sure that the little shortcuts I gave myself are fine. Oh, I never even tested that. Okay, so I gotta go up here and test that. I will put a little thing here so I can test that. Wait, I tested that and that worked. Yeah, that worked. The switch itself is not the right switch. That was fine. Okay, everything looks good. I just have that one more switch to test. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's lovely. The reason I have this portal instead of just saving in the dungeon is because saving's messed up. I would demonstrate it, but it's messed up, and I don't want to save to a messed up state. Oh, okay, you should work. Yeah, perfectly fine. I have no weapons. Oh, by the way, did I mention keys are messed up? They just kind of vanish. Well, hey, you know what? That proved it right there. Keys, when they vanish, they die. So, keys are... Well, that worked. I mean, this whole screen works as it should, which is great. But what's not great is that keys are broken. And it's only keys, because I have other enemies in this quest that work fine. Just keys are broken. So that's nice. Nice to know keys are broken. That is interesting. Hold on. I'm actually really curious. Why are keys broken? Keys specifically. That is interesting. This room functions as it should. I'm going to put it more right there. Hold on. Yeah, they're called bats, but they're keys. Why do you die after a few seconds? Damaged by powers is invisible. So I played a lot of quests that this should have been checked in. Okay, no, it's flashing. I don't get this. Why does it not work? And it's just keys. It literally, well, I haven't used any other enemies, but yeah, it doesn't work with keys. Well, it seems this floor is done. Doesn't seem like there's anything. Oh, hold on. I think I'm done with this floor. I'm not done with the dungeon itself. I haven't figured out. I'm gonna have something happen in this screen. I don't know what. Um, I will get to. What's wrong with? Dang it. Okay, there we go. Alright, so let's head on to the fun part. Downstairs. Okay. So this screen right here is potentially an issue. I think if I get help from one of the more experienced developers, they could probably do what I want to do. Essentially, you would hit the switch from the water, and it would put these ladders here, so that you're able to get to the staircase, so that you're able to, hit the switch to undo that, to hit this switch, to get to the boss and all that. The only problem is when you're in the water, and if this ladder is here, you'll stand on the ladder. Obviously, you would go under it, because if you're in the water, you'd go under it. Okay, so that's all fine. The stuff that I just need to think about, the puzzles that I need to think about, I'm not going to worry about right now. I actually do need to edit these combos. I'm just doing secrets right now. 66 block trigger. Interesting. Step. Where's step? Step. Secrets. Permanent. Okay. So, did I place the flags? No. Place flags there. And we would put... That is wrong. I keep hitting that. Flag, you would be this, but under a different tile set. There we go. Bam! So hitting that switch puts those down, which is what I want. Lovely. And as you can see, I just have grass. I just have stuff with the rat paths. I'm going to save this whole puzzle for a second. That's going to be a bit extensive. The plan here was to have a kill all enemies situation. So we're going to do secret tile, that. Okay. F5. Now this is interesting. That color, what is the matching color for that? I think it's this. That'll be that. And the secret here would be to... No item. It's permanent, so you don't need to kill the enemies every time. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of go through this like this. Those are hammer pegs, so I don't need to touch that. That's that same puzzle. Stairs I already tested, they work. Okay, so this is a bit interesting. So... this should be magic trigger, flag 76. Would that be the flag? I'm not exactly sure how this would work. Screen secrets when Link touches the wand. Okay, so this would be subject to Yeah, so the plan here was you'd hit this with magic, it would undo this, and then you come from the right here. Actually, maybe you come from above. Yeah, you come from above. Once you've triggered this, hit the switch to undo that, so you're able to go down from those stairs and go right. This is quite simply a lock situation. How did I do the lock? I still haven't tested if those work. I didn't test it, but I'm gonna at least duplicate what I did. 16, 17, screen tile 17, lock block. Lock block, screen tile 17. Oops, nope. We're gonna place 16 here, and the screen, or the secrets there will be replaced with the lock block situation. This one. And I don't know what color I want. Perhaps that one? Does that match? Does that match that? No, it was a lighter color. Yeah, let's see. I think it was this. That looks alright. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure. The whole situation would just be a layering situation. Oops. Ah, crap. I'm actually going to keep those there so I can see what they look like. Okay. Well, like the color. The color. Oh, it's in here, F5. When I hit F5, that's what I'm hitting. So, which color? I think that's actually what I want. Switch to my correct color. There we go. That's just a simple tile warp. I apparently didn't set it up. Oh, that is not where I want that to be. Right there. Screen. Wait, hold on. Let me check the combo. Stairs D. Stairs. Why stairs? This would be an instant warp. Instant warp. Did I just scroll right past it? Oh, there is no. So maybe it would be stairs. Sensitive warp. As soon as he touches... Okay, so sensitive is what I don't really want. Sensitive warp random. What? So it takes you to a random stair? Jeez. I mean, I guess it would be stairs. Yeah, it would be stairs. Actually, I will keep you under B. Okay. This will be a screen tile warp. Under B, we're gonna do a blackout. Take me to map 9, and it would be, let's see, 46, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So it'd be screen 40. Take me there. No, that is incorrect. Wait, what? Why did that connect with B? It selected that, but that's A. Huh. Interesting. Blackout. I think blackout's what I want. B. Oh, because I did set it to A. Okay. No, this has to be B. Because A is already used on the other screen. Wait, hold on. What's going on? Oh, I didn't change that to B. There we go. Screen, tile warp, B, B, B. B, B. Perfect, okay. Okay, so what this is gonna be, you will be a bomb trigger. That'd be a flag. Bomb trigger. I am so stupid. What was that? What was that flag? Flag what? Flag 6. It didn't matter. I could have just seen this. Okay. What will the bomb triggers be replaced by? This is a problem because there's two different tiles that it would be replaced by. Water and then land. Unless I somehow did it where I wouldn't have this here, I would just have these three and Link would bomb it that way. No. What I could do... I don't think it would be in the types here. No, yeah, it wouldn't be in the types there. What am I doing? I could just flag it flag 16. Well, here. Let's do bomb. This would be that one tile. Where is it? No, it's not there. Okay. Where is my tile? It's not on the screen. There it is. It doesn't have the right C set with it. Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go. And then I set flag 16 to my water. Okay. I have the dark one. It's not that. Oh! That's not the right water then. Is it that? No, that's too light. Oh, that's right. I put the water I'm using further down, I think. I think so, at least. I hope so. Where's my... okay, this might be it here. Is that it? That's not dark enough. There she is. Okay, and I did this one. Okay, so then what I would do is... Oh, hold on. I didn't really do this right. Yeah, there's actually no way to do this properly with the way I have it set up. Yeah, I have to do this. The way I was doing that, it wasn't gonna work. Okay, this is a pretty simple situation here. Yeah, because this will be tile warp B. This is what I did in one of my caves. Oh, come on, select B, please. Okay, so screen, tile warp. A is an instant warp with zap effect. That's what I want to do for that. 9, and this will just take me to 42. Follow tile warp A. Excuse me? Why didn't that work? What? The problem is that they're the exact same. Stairs A. Stairs A. How about this? Let's edit this. Oh, that's a problem. Open combos page. Let's copy, paste. Okay. And I will set this combo to B. That's B. And then this will be A. And I noticed it's a different color, but I think that actually kind of fits a little bit better. So B, U would be B over there, which is what I have set up. Lovely. Okay, so tile warp, A, insta warp zap. It didn't work. Interesting. Take me to 942. Huh. Curious, is my chat updating? Yeah, it is. Okay. I actually need to look at how I did this here. Because what I'm trying to do, I did already. Yeah, I did this. But watch, notice how when I hit go... Oh, it doesn't do it. Okay, so it works. Ooh, this is the big room. That's gonna take a little bit to work. I didn't finish some of these rooms. Oh, okay, and these are, I'm actually gonna need the specific, secrets for this one because each of these torches connects to a certain, peg. So, can't do that yet. I didn't finish this room yet. Raft paths are still undone. There'll be a switch in here. Once the switch is hit, that key will drop. Okay, that's a simple staircase. I don't know what I'm doing with that room yet. Okay, so I think what I'm going to start with right now is my raft paths, since I have yet to do that. Yeah, this looks ugly. So let's go ahead and grab my raft path flag and replace these flowers with it. I might as well do all of them. Okay, we're taking the long road, I see. Under combo is 0. That's because I have bushes. When you slash the bushes, there needs to be an under combo. It is 0, i.e. a blank combo. So when you slash these bushes, it's just going to be a blank combo. Doesn't matter because they won't be bushes anymore. I just needed to set up the raft path. Hold on. Let's get that other path here. I think I need to set a branch in here. Well, I wouldn't want to set a branch. Hold on. Actually, I need to erase a couple of flags here. I'm going to change this. This raft path is going to be a bit different. It's going to go... There we go. A little ugly, but whatever. Alright, Jordan. Okay, I will replace those combos later. I have another raft path over here. Yeah, this will definitely need branching paths. Ah, shoot. And there is a, well, I guess that's going to be there for now. There is a raft path branch that I can add. I tried not to have branching, because there's no lens of truth. So you would have to somehow know, to do that. And I don't want to have to expect anyone to need to know that. Yeah, I'll just do that. That's fine. Just kind of throwing this in here for now. I gotta fix this. I don't plan on getting too far tonight. Just, you know what? I'm actually fine with the fact that it's the wrong C set, so that I can still see the paths. Why don't I just replace all? There we go. Make my life a little bit easier. Okay. Actually, what I could do is I could put a subtlety like this with my raft paths so that you can see that there's a branch, since there's no lens of truth. I like this. This is better. Oh, hey, Forza. Yeah, I saw that, Jordan, that you told them about the games. Replace all. Okay. And I have two different kinds of bushes. I did a replace all for a single combo. Nice. Okay. Did I set the flags for this? Yes, I did. Okay. I thought I might have missed it. Replace all. Replace all. Perfect. They are all done. Alright, so I'm actually feeling kind of tired. I don't know how long I want to go. It's not even midnight yet. I'd feel kind of bad for ending this early. But let's perhaps start with this puzzle. This will actually use the scripts. Join your clan, I have my town 9. To max, having queen, king. Well, that's not max, but sure if you want to. Okay. I gotta remember how the script works. Well, for this particular screen, I don't need any scripts. Step secrets. I could simply do a flag 16 here. Quite simply. Bam. Set good old flag 16 to the what now? To the green. The green one. Well, wait, it would just be this, but it's green. It's a lighter green. I don't know which one it is. Let's select combo and do it this way, because now it gives me a little look. Okay, well, great. It shows the gray one. I did that specifically so that I could see the right combo. Okay, perfect. Being colorblind is not easy, so I need to really compare. I think that's it. Okay. That's good for that. Here's where things get a little bit interesting. Okay. I gotta remember what switch does what. I think I have it set that this switch does this? No, this switch would link to this, and this switch over here would link to the one, to the portal. So. Crap. Yeah, you can request to join now. I need to go here and just refresh myself. Which switch remote? Okay, actually, I think I remember decently what I need to do. I think it was F7. Yes, freeform combo. I don't think I have this yet. No, I don't. Okay. So, I need to set the script. Switch remote. What combo is this? I forgot what that combo is supposed to be. So let's just take a peek at how I did this. Okay, the combo is what you're doing. But while I'm here, screen and it, that makes sense. Now this I actually don't need to. I don't need to take a peek at that. I know how to figure out what that is. F7. Okay, freeform combo. Gotta hit edit here. Let's get this done before I forget it. This is important. Okay. Script 2. Ah, crap. Colors. It's solid green. I say that as though it helps me. I think it's this one. Ooh. I don't know if it matters which one I use. Let's use this one. Okay, so under the arguments, this is where I look at the script. Okay, so let's see. Remote. Okay, switch remote. So we have pressure, int ID. So the int ID, I believe, is that the combo? And the flag. Oh boy, I do not remember. Let me just put it down here before I forget. This needs to be, well, first of all, shoot. Put you there. That looks good. Alright, how in the heck did I do this? F7, freeform combo number 1. Okay, so let's look at these again. So, pressure ID flag. Pressure ID flag. So, pressure ID flag. What was the ID? Let's look at where ID is used. It looks like... Well, let's see. If ID is greater than 0, and just for comparison, the ID used here was set to 1. So, if it's greater than 0, ID minus 1 divided by 16. I do not know what the 16 is. So I will just set it to 1 because that sounds right. Okay, so 0, 1, 16. Hold on, let me just check number 2. Is it the exact same thing, except a different flag? Oh. This is very simple. This is very simple. Let's edit this freeform combo. You would be... Ah, crap. That'd be 0, 1, 16. Okay. This should work. So, basically what this is saying is this freeform combo is a switch, and anything flagged under flag 16, which is the things I've been using this whole time, will be triggered. Which, in this case, will be... Which one did I want to do? You walk down, you hit that, you hit that. This does that, so this would do that. Okay, and then under flag 16, let's select combo so that I can set you to the correct palette. There we go. And actually, flag 17 would be the exact same one. But it has to be under a different flag, otherwise this one switch would trigger both, which I don't want to happen. I want this switch to trigger that, and that switch to trigger that. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And funny thing, I can copy this and paste, and now it's the exact same thing, just literally change some values. Very convenient, huh? Bam! Okay, so now Mr. Flag 17 will go under this guy. Lovely. Alright, so what I'm going to do to make my life a little well, I was going to put a portal take me directly to the screen so that I could test this puzzle right now. But I'm not going to do that because I got to test other puzzles while I'm down here anyway. So let's see. This one's very simple. I could just put a flag 16. I did that already. Really? I did that? Step secrets. Did I set that up? I did set that up. Alright, cool. I must have forgotten. So, this should work. Everything here should work, except the fact that I don't have tiles working. Oh, God. Okay. We're gonna open combos page. I'm gonna need a bunch of these. So, let's actually go... Let's go right here. Paste. Paste. Okay, wait, I forgot. You could do CV, CV, CV. Lovely. Okay. Perfect. This will make my life significantly easier. Except the fact that I don't know where they went. I thought they should have went above this. No, it's above that. So I just gotta find that. There they are. Okay. You'll be A. You'll be B. I said B. You'll be C. I did this because now if I ever need more than one, bam, I've got all the 7 I need. So we will do A. We'll link down to B, C, D. Okay, so this is tile warp A. Tile warp A will take you down here. This is tile warp B. I am an idiot. We only need up to tile warp C. Actually, wait, A is that, takes you there. B, that's B, that takes you there. That is C, that takes you there. Okay, I was right with what I was doing. Okay, I just kind of confused myself. A and B take you to each other. This is a problem. So I'm just gonna quickly kind of repair this. The problem is that I didn't give any room there, and actually I'm not gonna move those because I already put flags on them, and I don't want to have to redo the flags. You are tile warp C, so C will take you there, and then D will take you there. Lovely. So now we need to actually set up the tile warps, and this is very simple. Frankly, I should actually have just copied this over, because I'm going to be doing the same exact thing 4 times. This will be 923. Like, that's the same thing for all of them. Why did I hit OK? I could have just done this. Zap effect down to 9. 23. Oh, that's the wrong room. 23, your B. With zap effect 923. You'll be C. 23. And your D. Perfect. So this whole screen works. This whole screen should work. And now all that would be left is the lower left screen. So let's go ahead and start on this little monster I have created here. It's really not that bad. It's a very minor maze. I'm actually gonna do the do that to test that out. Ooh, that looks ugly. There we go. Functionally, that just makes more sense. Okay, so I'm going to be doing these secrets in the order that you would do them in. So what you would do is you'd enter the screen from this warp. So you'd walk down, you would walk down again, you would hit the, oh crap. You would, how would you hit that switch? Oh, okay, I see. So let's set up this tile warp. Okay, so we'll put tile warp. Ooh, I'm not gonna mess with that. Actually, let's do a save here. I haven't saved for a little bit. I just want to see, what is this? Tie warp A. Okay. Alright. So, between these two. So this would be tile warp A, tile warp B. Now, technically, I can have... Actually, I can only have 4 of these at once. Yeah. I can only have 4 of these at any given point. On one screen, that is. On one screen. So, okay. Let's go to my tile warps. Wait, first. Wait. This was A. That's B. So we put A here. B here. Crap. Because when you hit tile warp A, it takes you there. When you hit tile warp B, it takes you there. Okay, and just like before, this will get a little bit repetitive. And this would be room 60. And if you're wondering where I'm getting the 60 from, 9:60, it's map 9, room 60. Okay, and I do the same thing for B. And that's B. Okay, so now I would do... Well, let's not do that yet. Okay, so walking you through, you warped here to here, you're walking up, you go down, you go up, you hit this switch. This switch undoes that, so I don't need any special thing going on here. I don't need any scripts or anything. This is very basic. And I need my green. Lovely. Perfect. Okay, so now you've hit that switch. So now, you know what? Let's make the player's life a little bit easier. Let's do that. So now the only thing that changes is I need to put another 16 here. So now I did that so you don't need to walk, you don't need to go down, up, down, portal. Now you can just straight up walk right through here. Yeah, that didn't impact anything. Hit this switch. So F5, 16 would be the down trigger. And then we do 16, that hits that. So now you've portaled here, so let's do C and D. And I messed up. Let's do that way. I gotta redo my flags now. Okay. So we have tile warp C and tile warp D. So we would put C here and D here. And let's have some more fun. 9. This is 60, correct? Yes, it is. You have C, and then you have D. Perfect. The screen should work fine. So now you've gone up the left, you're over here, you hit this. You have A taking you to B. So let's set that tile warp up. You have tile warp A, zap effects, map number 9. This is 50. Using tile warp A, and now we have B. This is 50, and that's B. Okay. I just gotta place the actual warp spawn, or warp locations. So from here, you have a branching path. Really? Okay. So you would actually, for those of you doing the puzzle, you'd want to warp right away. You wouldn't want to go up first. You'd want to warp. So I actually should have just set up the rest of these right away. Okay, and D is the exact same thing. Lovely. So C is going to take you... I don't want to put you right against the screen scrolling, so I'll do that. So you'll go up here, and guess what? We get to do freeform combos again. Hooray! Okay, so F, C1. Yeah, for each room, I can just set a 1. I forget. I forget what the pressure means. That's the one thing I keep forgetting, what it means. It looks like he has it set to 0 every single time. He only had me set the type and the flag. Huh. Okay. I didn't remember it being that simple, but then again, that was when I was first learning it. When you first learn something that's simple. See, I don't know if I'd want to set that to 1. I think each one might need to be a different number. Meaning the other two I did earlier wouldn't be 1 and 2, that'd be 3 and 4, and then this would be 5 and 6. I don't know if that matters in this, with this particular script. Okay, and then you need to be the right palette. Done. Okay, let's copy this freeform combo and paste the combo. And the only thing that would change is this to 2, and this would just be some other flag. In this case, I'll just do 17. Okay, so let's place... Hey, manual. No, this is not hacking. This is standard quest creating. So you hit that switch, and it takes you... Wait, no, this switch. 16 does that. And then flag 17. This is the Zelda Classic Creator. Oh, you don't warp first. When you're in this screen, you walk up, you go over, you warp from here to here, hit switch, you go back, and then go down, up, and around, and you hit that. Gotcha. Okay. The thing is, I set up these puzzles a while ago, so I gotta remember how I wanted them to be done. Lovely. Perfect. Alright. I just gotta set up my warps now. This should be using tile warp A. B? Are you using A? That's why that's B. Okay, so now I need to use C and D. C and D. So then, if that's C, C takes you here, D takes you here. Oof, not that. That's ugly. There. Okay, tile warp. Zap, map 9, and this is room 40. Your D, and then C uses that. 9? Did I do 9 for this? I thought I might have done 8. Okay. Alright. Everything should be working. I hope things are working as they should. I should see a blue box next to each thing. Also, I think I messed up the combos. These aren't the right, um, these aren't the right palette. Yeah, that's the right palette. There we go. That fits in a little bit better. Lovely. Alright, so my two big puzzles are done, I think. This is the only thing I'm concerned about. And this has nothing to do with freeform combos, as far as I'm concerned. I don't know. Maybe it would have something that... Maybe it would be a freeform combo. Let me look at the options they have under these. Interesting. It doesn't. I don't know. That is interesting. Okay. I am going to see what I can actually like. I'm gonna actually try to play this. I'm gonna see what I can do. The thing is, I didn't really place any items downstairs, so I don't think this dungeon isn't. I don't think it's beatable yet. It's not to a beatable state. So, can you play War Robots? I don't know. I've been kind of busy with this. This would be an enemy. I didn't place any enemies yet. Let's place one of my short lifetime keys. Actually, those keys are really good for testing because I can know if it works. I don't need to hunt them down and kill them. I could just wait for them to have a heart attack. Okay. So, there is one thing that I have not yet done that's kind of important. I haven't mapped out if there's a proper correlation between keys and doors. So I might actually have too many locked doors for keys or too many keys for locked doors. I mean, obviously the only way to fix that is either remove a key or add a locked door. No problem. Hey, Xavier. Have a good night, Emmanuel. So Xavier, you actually just missed it. Crap. I just, completed a couple of rooms, the big rooms. I completed these 3 rooms with the freeform combos. As you can see, I have the Switch remote. I think I did it right. I'm not 100% sure. And I did this whole situation. I still have yet to actually do my block puzzles. I have two block puzzles? Maybe 3. No, I have 2 block puzzles. I just have yet to actually do them. Actually, I have 3. One, 2. Yeah, I have 3 block puzzles in this dungeon. And I just have yet to actually do it. Also, this is a very confined area, so I hope there won't be a situation where you get yourself stuck. Because otherwise, like, I've used all 4 of my warps. Well, wait, tile warps. I could always have a different kind of warp. Well, I don't know, can I? Like, there's all different kinds of warps. There's stairs. Oh, yeah. I don't think I need to worry. Well, because there's stairs, I wouldn't use swim warps. There's a number of other warps. Sensitive warps. I'm not sure if how that would work. I think you can only have 4 per screen. A through D. There was one more thing. Oh, yeah. I don't know how many of these keys I want to just fall as keys. I might want them to spawn in a chest. I think this key would be fine. The only problem is the boomerang is able to pick up things, and I don't... Wooden boomerang. Or no, did I just call it boomerang? I just called it boomerang. Where do you set it where it's able to pick up items? Do you know, Xavier? Like, the boomerang was able to pick up big items, and I'm wondering, how can you turn that off? Range. Oh, that's the range, huh? Let's make that a little bit bigger. Block flags, reflect flags. Oh, okay. This is saying it'll block... I don't know why it's 7. I don't understand that. Quest rule. Oh, okay. Well, I made that change I wanted to make. I increased the range. Quest rules. This would be with items. I assume it's that. Oof. That's disgusting. Oh, there it is. Okay. What is this new boomerang and hook shot? I don't really understand that. Okay, so I have not placed... Oh, I have placed my heart attack keys. Let's find out... Let's find out how doable this dungeon is. I actually have no idea. Okay, let's see how doable this is. Unfortunately for me... Hold on, I want to check OBS. How's that been running? No frames dropped. Nice. Helps that I'm not running in 60 FPS. I'm running in 30. Hold on, I'm gonna... Oh! Why did this just spontaneously break? That just spontaneous... Also, why do I still have this open? New boomerang hookshot makes it so the item returns to you before you collect it. Oh! I gotcha. I want that. I like that. Yeah. Okay. My warp suddenly broke. You know what? Actually, hold on. Let's play through my quest here. The reason I had this warp was so that I could just instantly get there and not have to worry about it. But, oh, this is so annoying. I'm gonna play this in full screen, because having it minimized like that has been a problem. Yeah, it's actually less of a problem having it open like this. Also, how's the frame rate? Looks fine. I shouldn't have to do that. Yeah, this broke. I don't know why that's broken. Shouldn't have broken. Also, while you're here, Xavier, I was wondering, my fairy spot here doesn't restore magic. And I'm wondering how I would have that restore magic, because in this little mini quest, I would like it to. Okay. Got me sword. I drown, right? Okay. Gotta check everything, because apparently some things just spontaneously break. Okay. God bomb sound effect. Sounds good. Good. And if you, while you guys are watching, try to look out for any graphical issues, like if any tiles are messed up. I always try to keep an eye out for some of that, but I have found I do miss a lot of them. Lovely. By the way, my sword is significantly more powerful than it will be when I release this quest. By having custom sound effects, the quest file can be really big. Oh, the map. Whoa. Okay, actually, that is another question I've had. I've noticed in D maps, this map here. Yeah, how would I fix that? Oh, that's how. Okay. Interior rain and waterfalls is fine. Bow cavern. How is all caves? All caves is fine. Wait, yeah, it's still messed up. What's up with that? Crap. Yeah, this should be that. Oh, maybe that's why. Is that the right? No, it's not. That's correct. There we go. Never mind, I fixed it. For some reason, I didn't know if that would work before. I haven't figured out what is the best way to go through this cave. I'm gonna go this way. I think it would be a little bit quicker for time's sake. And most of these screens will be populated with enemies. The only reason I didn't put enemies is, well, testing is significantly easier. Now this screen's actually a little bit interesting. I'm gonna want to have scripted doors for this. Basically, you enter and you're locked. Right now it's just a conveyor, and I'm not a huge fan of that because it could work a lot better. Let's not die now. There we go. I did not say alongside. After this. This quest was just a learning situation for me. I gotta move that arrow, and I'm gonna do it now before I forget. I've meant to move that arrow, and it seems I've constantly forgotten. It's actually in map 4. Oh, I did move the arrow. Why did I pick it up the second I walked in? I mean, I suppose I could put it like that. Nah, there's no harm in picking it up the second you walk in the screen. Who cares? Once you got it, you got it. It's kind of funny. I redid that sparkle sprite because these aren't golden arrows. It's a different... I wanted a different sprite for what arrow it is. Very powerful arrows. I actually do need a little bit of health here. Yeah, that's a bit annoying. But yeah, this quest is just a learning experience for me. Ah, crap. You can insta-kill this Goma if you get the right direction he walks. See, there it wasn't. See, if he goes left first, I found you could just instantly kill the guy. Yeah. But yeah, this quest is just for me to learn Zelda Classic and scripting and all that, and then once I finish this, then I'll get on to my real quest. But I didn't just do random stuff in this quest with the world and the dungeon and everything. This overworld you're looking at right now and the dungeon I'm working on will be in some way in the final quest, in the actual quest. I want this. Also, Xavier, I have asked a lot of people about this problem. No one knows what the fix is. My keys are broken. Yeah. Also, why did that one stayed? But yeah, it's really weird. They don't die. They literally vanish. And they're not there. It's very bizarre. The keys are just gone. Yeah, I'll check the enemy. I'll show you. I don't see what's doing it. It's really weird. I don't know where it would be, but they simply vanish. Where would you want? Could be a tribble. Oh, what is tribble? What even is that? It was set to this, but I like default. I don't know what tribble means. Normal and tribble. Well, I would assume normal's better. So with normal, that won't happen then? Because I don't want those keys to just go away. Otherwise, what's the point? Also, I don't know why, but saving takes me to that sword cave, which is a bit annoying. The whole saving situation has been a big problem. Okay. Wonderful. I gotta fix the sound effect too. Also, the whole raining sound effect I have for the water, I did that custom. I literally took an audio clip of... Well. Uh-oh. This is a problem. It's because I used that switch. Crap. I've edited what this switch means. Also, it should be this one. Let's see. I forgot how. Man, I did this so long ago. I don't remember how I did this. And 0 transformed into nothing. Oh, okay. Check the flag type on the push block. What? Whoa, why is it the same flag? This 65 block here would be the one that triggers that. Why is that 65? Ah, I just don't remember how I did this. Flag 66 is the block trigger. I just want to see it. Block trigger. So... Oh, okay. This is actually a bit quicker if I don't miss that. So that's basically just saying it'll only trigger... Would I take this off then? Link touches the edge of the combo. That's wrong. So this would be nothing. Yeah. Would this just be nothing? Like a none type? Thinking it would be a none type. Alright. Okay, everything else should work. Okay, well, my game is now unbeatable until I fix this. Oh no, but I triggered the chest now. Lovely. Oh wait, I saved before. Oh good. Okay, so I won't need to redo that. And let's get some health. I have you set the spawn with 20% of your max to prevent F6 abuse. I feel like that was a good choice. Okay. Ah, dang it. I've gotten to the point where I could do this puzzle with my eyes closed, almost. Oop. Oh my god. I love that. But I don't want it to be a push wait because that's just tedious. So I won't be doing that. You just gotta be more careful. Simple as that. Hey. It's a good thing I'm replaying through it because I've been messing with a lot of combos. So, it's good to see if I accidentally changed ones that I shouldn't have. And I've got to fix that rock. Yeah. It's unfortunate you can't have push blocks, push combos going between different maps. Why did I go to my menu to swap? Dang it. I could make this room smaller so you don't have to swim all the way across. Make that a little bit easier. This is a good place to test out the boomerang. You know, it's kind of nice that I've gone from playing to creating, because now I can actually test the stuff on my own if I really needed to. Okay, good. I mean, I'm gonna obviously have testers, because everyone plays these differently, so I want to make sure I snuff out any possible bug. What my big quest will be like? I have a lot of just mental plans, a lot of things that I have in my mind that I know I want to do. Eh, crap. I gotta make the screen bigger. Jeez. But I do plan on having a bunch of dungeons, like more than the standard 9. I do know what you'll be going for the quest, story-wise. Like, I know what... It won't be... I will tell you right now, it won't just be the standard 8 pieces of the Triforce and then the 3 Goddess Jewels. No, I'm not doing that. Let's see, so you'd be getting those 3... Oh, I could make it you go for the Triforce pieces as well as what I was thinking. I don't know, there's definitely a lot. The thing is, once I finish this quest, I won't be actually making anything for the big quest for a while. I'm going to do a lot of testing. I talked to Evan 20,000 a little bit about his design a little bit. I also haven't fixed these rocks yet. I'm just going to go down here because running's faster than swimming. And he basically walked me through his process of like creating dungeons and everything. And it was nice of him, but it did help me a little bit, but it wasn't like a lot of what he was saying he did. I've already kind of done and was planning to do. So, I mean, I guess that makes me feel happy that I was the way I was planning to go about it was at least a pretty good way to go about it. But like I asked him like how he did dungeons. Like, did you just start placing combos when you created your dungeons, stuff like that? Like, what did you do, Xavier, like when you started making your dungeons? Also, I gotta fix this. You could kind of just walk right over and swim, which is obviously a bad thing. This is supposed to be a raft path. Oh, wow. Yeah, I've got to do something about that. Because with my current dungeon, I didn't really plan anything. I literally just started placing tiles and started placing different routes that I would expect the player to take, and kind of just went from there. Let's make one screen at a time. Right, but like, did you draw out what you plan on your dungeon looking like? Like, I designed what the map like design would be. Like the shape that it ended up taking. I'm gonna map these out just for completion's sake. I don't have anything on these screens yet. I don't know if I will have anything. We will have to see. Forgot what I was talking about. But oh well. Okay. So the issue with saving on the screen is it takes me to screen 00 on here, and I don't know why. And in fact, that'd be a good thing to, since I have you here, it'd be a good thing to have you look at. You don't draw on graph paper. I go with a mental image in my head with general design. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, I just kind of went screen by screen, thinking, okay, I can have this go here, that go there, and that eventually will go somewhere down there. That's the kind of thought process I had. It is much smaller than Evan's. Well, I don't know. Some of your dungeons are pretty lengthy, so I wouldn't say they were all smaller. But anyway, this issue I'm having is continuing brings me here, which is where I want it, but saving takes me up to screen 0, which is bad. So I looked in DMaps. All DMaps has is the continue here. But yeah, like this map's design, like where the map, like the design it was. I did that before I even started. But then there's also screen data. I didn't know. Oh, this is when I had the test boss key in here. I have this. Obviously, it's not working because it doesn't. When I save, it doesn't take me here. DMaps continue point. Wait, the DMaps continue point. I mean, all I knew about was that. And then, I set, this here. Continue. See, this is actually something I was wondering. Save point continue here, but no save point combo. Is that like when, like in Glory Squad, how you saved with a tile, like it was a tile save? The first tab. Let me look at that again. The first tab. Yeah, continue here. Do you have to actually set that, like on here? Huh. I don't know. Type the number. What do you mean? Where do I type the number? Oh, I didn't even realize this. I'm an idiot. Wow, is that simple? What is this screen? This is 833. Oh my god, I'm stupid. But okay, the thing is though, continuing always worked. Continuing worked. What about saving? Saving's the one where it takes me to 0, 0. Would that fix the saving as well? Wait, hold on. Yeah, check continue box. Should fix saving. Well, let's find out. Because if that's the case, my caves map has the same issue. Where does this take me? I'm gonna fix that, because then I don't need to walk all the way back and forth. Why did that break? Oh, that's why that broke. I know exactly why it broke. Where are you? It's not that low. I did a thing. When I was doing my big puzzles where I used the freeform combos. Here we go. That should be tile warp A. Okay, so this will just be B for the sake. Wait, what is... Yeah, shoot. What is B under? Wait a minute. No, that should be correct. D. Okay, crap. Well, alright, that's fine. I'm not really particular on that. Yes, D, tile warp. This will just make it so I can warp. Also, I don't remember the differences between blackout and opening wipe. D. Yeah, let's do entrance exit. Actually, no, this does take me to map number 1, screen 0, 0. Use return warp D. Okay, now this should work, right? Did I set you to D? No, you're A. Let's do... Well, actually, no, you would be A. Yeah. For this purpose. Oh. Entrance exit. Where does that actually take me? You know what, that's fine. That should work. I'm gonna do this in case it didn't work. I don't want to screw myself over. Continuing worked. Just gonna go to a different room. Just make sure it takes me to that room. Okay, save. That's why I copied it, in case I'm gonna be stuck in the corner. Ah, lovely. Okay, so now if you wanted it to where... Oh, hold on. I don't know how that would work. So the problem is with this map, these are all my caves. Continuing works, but saving always takes me... And now I know why saving takes me here. Because this is set to 0, 0. But what if I didn't want it? If I didn't want the saving to work? How would I do that? I want continuing in the work in caves, but if you save in this map, I want the save to take you to the overworld map. You know, save you where you first spawn at the very beginning of the game. I don't want the saving to take you to any of these caves. I'm unsure of how how I would do that. How I would deny saving. Is it literally just in screen data? Well, I don't have that. So I don't understand why that doesn't work. Do you know, like, what... Uncheck continue here. That's kind of bad wording. So that continue refers to saving, I'm assuming. Is that... This literally just means this is the save screen? Because I should have used save here, not continue here. I just think that's poor wording. Okay, so saving worked. Let's just go in a cave. Oh, I never actually got the wand. It's no big deal, but I never got the wand. So funny thing, I put the flag for the whistle everywhere. So... Let's continue. It should take me to this screen. Perfect. And it should take me to the overworld. I hit retry. Great job. Perfect. Okay. I can actually save here. Yay. Up until now, when you guys have seen me test, I would always be at the overworld and take me here. Now that saving works here, I'll just do this. Alright. Let's play. Okay, I'm gonna play like I don't know anything. Like I'm playing blind, you know. Let's see if my raft paths work. As you can see, I highlighted them with the blue water. Perfect. That's just magic if you need magic. And you need to have raft paths in order, like alternate raft paths in order for that to work. So that's all that route takes you to. Well, that's a messed up warp. Yeah, I didn't do any enemies yet. I just want to get the dungeon working, and then I'd throw enemies in there. Oh boy. B. You're both B. That is problem. Okay. Oh, jeez. I keep forgetting that this scroll goes really far. Oh, I forgot. Shoot. Dang it. Perfect. I got all these here. Let me just recap. Yeah, that's B. Yeah, they're all gonna be. Well, that is B, so that's fine. Oops. That was bad. Okay. Version seems outdated. Yeah, it's a shame. I got the wrong one. Ah, shoot. So do you have a more updated version of this tile set? Or what am I saying? Never mind. I'll look it up. I'll get myself a updated version. Okay. So let's just keep this consistent. And I am keeping continuity, so screen 21 makes it easier, you know. Okay, and then this should be the exact same situation, just different C set. I shouldn't have to touch any of this. Whoa. You what now? Okay. Oh no, that's fine. Okay, so that's... Let's just do it this way. Okay. Is that the same spot? The stairs aren't in the same spot. It should be one... It should be right here. Oops. Dang it. Which one are you? So I'm actually gonna move this here. Now I remember why I had these here. They were originally in the right spot. I messed around with this earlier. So that's why that happened. Boom, okay. Let me just double check. Okay. These stairs are not in the right spot either. Just gotta move them up. Okay, let's keep that the same there. Perfect. Alright. Can always import tiles, yeah. Yeah, I've imported tiles, so I know how to do that. I know they don't need to be in the same spot. I want them in the same spot though. Yay. It works. So I shouldn't be able to do anything here. Oh. I was right in a way that I did not want to be right in. Okay. Why there shouldn't be a tile warp B existing in any... Oh, well. I messed up all my stairs. Now I'm using standardized stairs here. Okay. I'm doing a lot better with my planning now, which is good. This should work. Yeah. That is the wrong staircase. That's not even the right tiles. Not the right C set. Okay, good. I'll just fix as I go. The trap mazes you see in IORs level 4 and 7 use direct warps. The trap mazes. Insta warp with blackout. Wait, the music was fading out? Well, I don't have music downstairs, so let me see. Well, it doesn't help because I have different music. Here, let's test this. Let's see if this is working. I'm gonna assign some music for. I'll assign the same music so that we can see if that's what's happening. Also, actually, I might want it to be a different C set for the underside. Yeah, I still want that to be that. Music. Let's do the same thing, just to see if it's actually doing it. The other stairs. Which stairs were you referring to? Was it ones up here? Was I not using a Oh yeah, wait, yeah, I wanted blackout. Okay. Thank you for I have been using blackout lately because I found that I like blackout. Whoa, wait, was there an issue there? No, okay, that's fine. Yeah, these should be all blackout. I found I like blackout. Yeah, see, this one was blackout. So, well, now that the second floor has music, we can actually see if anything's going on there. Also, how is this Zelda Classics playing flawlessly, and yet when I'm trying to stream Let's Plays, when I have nothing else running in the background, I have problems. Okay, perfect. Shoot. Oh, wait. Blackout's the first one. I scrolled down when I meant to scroll up. Okay. And again, I shouldn't be able to do anything here. Did this trigger work? What? I know what I did. I think. Wait, why did that set off that? This room was actually a bit confusing. Because I want this magic trigger to remove this, and this step will do this. So actually, I think I might need to have the scripted triggers thing, because yeah, I don't want this to set this off. I don't know why. Why did it do that? Maybe that's why. That was interesting. So do you think I would need to have the scripted secrets here? Probably the same one I've been using this whole time. So yeah, I'm not sure. What do you think, Xavier? Would I have to use my remote secrets script for this? Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. Alright, let's do it. I think I've been getting a good hang of this. Screening it. It could be the exact, it needs to be, shoot, I forgot which one. This one, actually. Okay. Now, okay, so I haven't gotten to test any other one, like the ones I did on my own. But to my knowledge, so D1 would be the crap. I forgot what D1 is. Also, I don't need you anymore. Let me see. Remote. Yeah. So D1's the ID. Um, I don't remember. Am I able to? Okay. Well, let me explain what my issue is. So one secret per screen normally. Yeah, that's why I have this. Um, I have two of these combos on another screen, and I have it 1 and 2. I don't know if every single one of these freeform combos needs to be a new one. So meaning if I did 1 and 2 on one screen, another screen would need to be 3 and 4, another screen would be 4 and 5, or and then you know what I'm saying? Or can I just restart it at 1 um, on a different screen? I'm sure that's script specific, but I don't know because this would be correct, but I don't know if for every single combo, freeform combo, it needs to be a different one of these. I don't know if you're even familiar with this with this script. Oops. Oops. Let's move you here. Oh god. That looks good. So then I need to edit you 76. And then I forgot. Okay, I know what I need to do. It needs to be in here. Wand. Wand? Wand magic. Okay, that's interesting. That would just be my ground tile, which I always need to find. I swear, once I get to my main quest, I'm gonna really clean up these tiles so I don't need to search for them. I'll know exactly where they are. So just making the flag of the barrier to be a different type. Oh, I never even set up the flag for this. So you're saying for the freeform combo, instead of this being 16, set it to 99? I do actually remember Loot saying that. Being that it's... Well, there's 98. Oh, no, this would be 99 actually, because that's what that script is. Okay. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. And this will cause this to go to whatever the next combo is in the list, right? Meaning it'll go to that instead of 16. Yeah, change that. But that will automatically swap this to the next one in the list, correct? Because I know that was the case with Loot's script. I don't know. I don't remember if that's the case with this one. It should be. Well, honestly, I don't even need to question it, really. I could just look at how it was done here. Well, this is what I was talking about. See how that's... Well, he had me use 16. So... Yeah, because this triggered that, and this was 17 and triggered that. And this worked. This we completely tested. This works fine. Ooh, that looks... Between these two combos, that doesn't look right. Huh, it's fine. But I'm assuming... I don't remember. This was just... Well, actually, I could find out by going to this. Yeah, okay. That is how that worked. Alright, so that's clear. That makes sense. Okay, so this should automatically go to the peg down one. So it doesn't really matter what flag, it seems. Just so long as the proper flag is on the proper combo, it doesn't really matter. That's what it seems like, at least. So let's find out. Also, I've been meaning to make these tiles, on a different layer. I keep forgetting to do that. Well, do I want... Nah, maybe not. Maybe in that specific case I wouldn't want that. Oops. I see my issue. Yeah, I see my issue. You do not have a flag. But I'm thinking you would have a type. Because otherwise, how will it know? I don't know, actually. How would I keep forgetting how I would do stuff like this. This would have to be a magic trigger, not an Armos. What? Yeah, I don't... I can't... I can't think. What? How would I do that? Remove the flag from the step switch. Oh. Did I have that? Yeah, it doesn't have a step switch on it. That's this one. So I'm covered there. It should be magic trigger. That's the type, correct? M for magic trigger. Have flag 16. But I don't want this. The thing is, I would want this to switch to this, but with a slightly different color, indicating that it was triggered. You know, on the step switch. Do I? Oh, crap. Thanks for telling me. Wait, when I hit that with magic, that switched that, didn't it? Crap. Alright, well, good. Good, that's gone. That's flag 76, that's flag 99. Okay, good. And then this will switch to that. Perfect. Yeah, I didn't actually realize that. But for the magic trigger, hold on, let's go to this. It's right there. Let's see. Let's put you here. And then paste. Oh, wait. I like the way that this was done in other quests where it would get slightly discolored when it would be triggered. Because, I mean, that's the best way to do it, really. Did I go past it? I must have went right past it. Yeah, there's that. It's not this low. Oh, that was that overlay thing that Van Rob was showing me before. Where is it? It's not there. I'm not seeing the combos that I put in their specific place. Like all those warps. I'm not seeing them. When you move those around, does it not edit the tiles page? Oh, that's interesting. Title. Great. So I don't know how to edit that now. Where was that? That was up here. Yeah, I can't seem to open it. Combo 3121. Oh, but what tile is it is the real question. I don't know. Oh, 14,844. I'm sorry, what? 14,848. Uh, 14,848. Ah, crap. Guess I'll just do it this way. Yeah, so I would want the light to go dark. Shoot. Is this the grab? Select. Oh, that's not the kind of select. Well, alright. I believe that's you. No, that's replace. Okay. And then... could I just do this? No. I hate that that does that. So basically what I'm thinking I'd want to do is I would set this darker green to the light green and then set something even darker to the dark green. It sucks I don't know what these colors are. Is it this? Is this? Okay, so that is that. So are these... that's like a red. I can't even see the difference. Well, you know what? Let's make it a lot easier on me. Let's just set it to dark green. Whoa, nope. I wonder if this is even what everyone does. They just do it this way. I mean, like, they have it changed like this. That doesn't really look good. Well, I think it's fine. For this purpose, I think it's fine. So now I gotta find that, because this whole situation didn't work. Well, I could just go to... scroll to combo. Where is it? Well, like, where did the edited one go? See, I hate this. It doesn't tell you where it is. It doesn't show you where it is. Oh, they make it the combo changes C set. That would be less work. I think. I don't know if it would be. But anyway, how would I do this magic trigger? Like, it has to be a type or something, doesn't it? Like, doesn't it need to be a type for it to work? Well, I'm being kind of stupid. I could just look at how I did my boomerang trigger. I actually don't even have this working properly because I want the tile after it's been hit by the boomerang to change. But how did I do this? Flag 16. And I did what with this? How did I do that? How did I do this? You shows a... oh, I hit the wrong button. Shoot. Flags. Oh, I think I did this. Right, okay. Alright. So I would simply do magic. One magic, that would be... that's the wrong way, isn't it? Yeah, see, I can't even find these in my tiles, so I gotta find the original one. Which is somewhere. What the heck? Am I blind? There you are. Okay. So then I would have the, what was it, like 76 magic trigger one? Boom. Okay. So this should all work then, huh? This should work then. Hmm. It worked with the boomerang, but not with the wand. How did I get this to work? I feel like I'm missing something really obvious. Maybe I didn't select the right combo. Let's check. 3-3-1-2. That is not the right combo. Three, three, one, two. What? Oh, there it is. Dang it. Well, that would be a problem. Screaming outside my house sounds like a screaming woman. Oh, hey, Blaze. Hey, it's been a while. I've been doing fine. How have you been doing? As you can see, I am on the other side of Zelda quests right now. I've been dabbling with creation as opposed to just playing. So. Also, I noticed that my map thing works. I like that. Really now. Okay, I think I see what I did wrong. Hold on a minute. 99. Okay. So let's grab number 16. Put you there. And then set... Okay, I see what I did wrong. And then for 16... I'm actually thinking I don't want that combo for that. Yeah, I don't want that combo. I'll change that combo. But basically, this just needs to change to a floor tile. There we go. So let's go ahead and grab a peg. Which means it wouldn't be a floor tile, actually. It would be a peg. Let's go up to one of these bad boys. Shouldn't matter if I use these, I'm sure. Okay, so now I need to re-edit this and put in this guy. Lovely, okay. That should work. Wait. Problem, okay. Alright, this should work now. I might want to push that one thing out further. Why? Check your secret combos. This is combo 3312. 3312. Set the flag 16. Huh. Can a warp you to a warp that doesn't warp you back to the same area? Wait. Warp you to a warp that doesn't warp you back to the same area. Yeah, you can actually. Make for a crazy puzzle. That'd make for, depending on how you do it, could make for a very irritating puzzle. You'd have to memorize what takes you where. Yeah, you can do that. Like, I can have the staircase take you to these stairs if I really wanted to. I'm not understanding what's wrong with this situation. Haven't even gotten to test the other one yet. Enemies, secret, but no enemies. Ooh, I really should add an enemy. I like doing keys. Makes it easy for testing. And I've actually seen quests that would do that. They would have it... they wouldn't do it with stairs. Well, no, they did it with stairs, but they also did it with, like, screen scrolling. Why isn't this working? Because looking at this situation... Wait. I had... Whoa. There we go. Yeah, I had that tile. And it would be replaced by the secret with that. Right there. Causing the chest. Why is doing the same thing here not working? Not the same thing. It's a similar thing. I don't see why it's not working. Xavier, do you know what's wrong with this situation? Because I'm not completely clear on why this isn't doing what it should. Well, alright. Good time to save the quest. Flag 16 there, and I have flag 16 to the downed peg. So... And hitting that magic trigger... Wait, this isn't even really set to a magic trigger, is it? Uh-oh. Well, no, it is. It is a magic trigger. Is it not wand magic? Is it straight up, would it be wand? Because technically it's not the wand that's doing it, it's the magic coming from the wand. The barrier flag should have 16. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. The crystal has no flags. The crystal would need to have a flag? I guess that would work as long as I don't... My concern is that it would turn... Well, I would want it to turn into a different... How would you do that, having it turn into a different C set? Is that with a script? Huh. Because that would be pretty convenient. Or honestly, I would rather have it switch to a different combo. Because then... Well, in that case, I know how to do it. Okay. I can actually continue on with my testing. Perfect. Oh no. Stupid, stupid thing. I didn't update that. And actually, yeah, I just simply didn't do it. Because this originally was a warp. As you can see, yeah, it's not even proper. Screen, tile warp. This is tile warp with blackout. Takes me to 8. We are currently on 0, 0, so it takes me to 800 using tile warp A. Perfect. I didn't fix you. Boom. Okay, tile warp A should just work perfectly. Good. Okay. Wait, what time is it? It's 1:16. Okay. That's wrong application. Okay. What you do is put the inherent flag on the combo, meaning that it comes at flight trigger. Yeah, I just realized that. That's what I did. But my goal for this little quest here is that it would take you longer to beat this dungeon than it did to do everything else in the quest, like collecting all the items and such. Which, by the way, I think I have all of them. All except for one of the rings. The hammer you get in the dungeon. Spoiler alert. Also, I have infinite magic, apparently. That seems to change whenever it wants. I'm not going to be able to do anything on this path because I would have needed to have hit a switch. There's the switch, which I want to test tonight if I get to it. Oops. Oops. Take me to the right place, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Ooh, good. We get to test these freeform combos. This I did on my own, without any assistance. So hopefully it works. Okay. This trigger. I'm just trying to think. I need to think what I have. Oh, I never even moved those triggers over there. I need to move them down instead of being right on the edge of the screen. That takes me there. So this triggers the right peg. Perfect. And then this other one should trigger the left peg. Oof. He can be learned. It seems I've learned these... Why? Well... I don't know why that's happening. It shouldn't happen, but I know how to fix, like, do a basic fix. Simply move them. There. So 16, 17. Bam. Okay. Did I hit retry? I kind of want to see those be done again, because that's fun. Also, since I've saved, what was I able to do this way? Oops. Yay, magic. For testing's sake, I made it so that you can do this, but I want to play this legit. Screw it. funny, I'm kind of giving the answer key to this quest, and that's something that made me a little reluctant to stream the development, because now you guys might not have any interest in playing it if you were to have had any interest. I did something wrong. That is what was wrong about that. Alright, that's fair. Is that the same tile? That looks brighter, doesn't it? Like the switch itself looks brighter. I think it looks brighter. Well, that's fine. This would be a step. And that wouldn't be a flag, right? It'd be a step switch here. Would it be a step? Well, I'll do step secrets permanent. That should work now. I should really set it to make a shortcut as well. If I were being a nice person, I would do that. Because then you wouldn't have to walk back through all the stuff. Oops, that ain't good. Shubao. Yeah, I really should give a shortcut right here so that you can just walk right up there. And that would actually be really easy to do. I would place flag 17 here. And then under flags, that actually would not be a bad tile set. Well, that one's a little bit better. Okay. This one actually is a bit shorter. There we go. Running's faster than swimming anyway. Oops. Well, great. I continued. I didn't retry. I gotta retry. Otherwise, it's already been triggered. There we go. Shorter of a walk. Oh, crap. I can't actually grab the hammer. Yeah. So did I make this right? That might be the wrong combo. Yeah, it's the wrong combo. Alright, let's just switch this combo right quickly. Heck, I could just straight up copy this select combo. And oh, just bam. Okay. That's correct, okay. And while I'm at it, I gotta place a keys. I'm at 906. Yes. Actually, it's a good thing I'm looking at this because this is not a right staircase. It takes me to 06. That is correct. Perfect. Special item is hammer, but apparently did I not set it for enemies? Yeah, I did. Gotta place the keys. I did place the keys. Perfect. I didn't think I did. Hey, Moosh. What? What is a stream development or a quest development stream a bad thing? I originally wasn't really wanting to do it, but I had people tell me that they were interested in it. Well, this is my first quest, so I haven't really known what I've been doing. I've been just kind of trying to figure it out on my own. Well, he originally made it sound like a bad thing, so... I'm not gonna die by... That's not a hammer. Well, that would be a problem, you know, if I don't select a chest combo. This whole quest, I'm treating this whole quest just as something for me to get used to Z quests and everything. So, I'm not very organized or anything. Wait. I know that's you two making the mild. Well, that's... Your emote made me think that it was something that you didn't think was a good idea. I hit the switch again. Like, I just kind of want to get things to a functional standpoint, and then I'll do a lot of cleaning and such. Whoa. I forgot I said that to the Ocarina of Time. I know what I did wrong. Is there not a hammer trigger? Well, wait. I feel like I passed it. Don't know if this matters, but I'll just make sure it's the same thing. Sprite C-sets. Feature areas primarily in 2, 3, and 4. This give you more control. The colors you're using. Ones can be swapped out based on D-map. Fade properly during war transitions. Oh, okay, I see. Right, okay. Did what I did just now fix that, though? Setting that to hammer? Or would I still need to set this? I mean, I should, because it is a, that is what this is. Like, these combos would be used for hammer trigger. Yes, I know that, Moosh. You're just jumping in now to me doing this, but I've been using Z quests and everything for almost like a week and a half, 2 weeks now. So I know at least. I don't want to say I know all the basics because I'm sure there's a bunch of things I don't know. Like, this isn't day one as well. I mean, it's pretty obvious it isn't. But, yeah, there's still a lot of the small stuff that I need to learn, I'm sure. These stairs are broken. Yeah, they're broken. I am aware of that. Oh, by the way, Mooj, are you aware that I'm using one of your scripts? Your multiple secrets one? There should be one open spot in the inventory. Yep, okay. Okay. Cool. That's a thing. I put that water like that just to remind me of where they are, and I might get. Well, I'm obviously not gonna keep on those same combos, but put flag 94 on these. Yeah, well, that's why I wasn't really gonna do that. I didn't really want to. Well, I don't know. Yeah. So would it have been better if instead of an inherent flag in this situation, if I just put flag 89? I'm gonna try this. Like, what if I just straight up put flag 89 here? How would that sound? Oh, you just said a placed flag. Okay. Which is what I just did. You said flag 94. What is flag number 94? Triggers self only. What does that mean? Alright. But my RAV pads work fine. There's no alternate paths. I didn't... Well, actually there is one spot where I would want to have multiple paths, and I know how to do that. Not dying to a keys. In fact, I'm not dying while testing. I gotta change that sound effect. It's a bit messed up. Interesting. There shouldn't be anything over here. Yeah, I didn't put anything over here yet. I don't even know what I want to put over there yet. Whoa. Interesting. It's a bat. Well, alright. It's ready. Combo type for pound next. Could burn. You could put flag 4. You could put flag 4 placed on flag. Oh, I see. Right, I see what you're saying. Makes sense. What I could do is, where are you? There you are. Okay. Well, wait, if I just put this type to pound next, that would be fine for in general, wouldn't it? Is it in here, or it's a flag, isn't it? Whatever. Here, I will open combos page. CV. Oh, it wouldn't be that. Copy that. Put that there. Okay. And then you would be my hammer trigger. Okay. Boom. I think that might work. Conflicting behaviors. Right, yeah. What time is it? It's 1:30. Okay, how's OBS been? I've dropped a few frames, oh well. Let's retry that. I should really save more here. Save myself some time. In fact, I haven't even saved from the last puzzle I did. So. Well, I did actually. Okay. Yep. What the heck? Did it... Was it different colors? Like it... Well... I'm gonna just take away the hand place flag I had there. What is happening with this? That's what it looked like it did, but I don't know why it's doing that. It's almost like because it's a secret, it's... Oh, you're right, Xavier. I know what's wrong. Yeah. How do I remove that? Pound and hammer trigger both react to getting hit by the hammer. Oh wait, so you're saying this specific one wouldn't be a pound? Ah, shoot. Stop it. Yeah, change it to the lower one. Yeah, now I see what's going on here. Currently, I'm in 2.53, and like I said, this quest is just a like a tutorial for me. 2.55 will be where the version I make my actual quest in, my big quest. I was gonna save, but this should work. Lovely. Every new version expands menus further. Oh, okay. Alright, so there should be a key. A key should appear here. Perfect. Okay. Crap, I don't have the map yet. Alright. I actually don't remember what's over here. Oh, okay, this is the compass. Yeah, I'll grab it. And I know how to set where the compass blinks. I just didn't do that yet. That's such an insignificant detail that I didn't worry about it. Okay, and this is something that I wanted to test as well. Ah, crap, I forgot the... I have infinite magic, apparently, so... Ooh, that's not good. Killing the key should have given the key, but this should have activated the stairs. And I didn't save. I should have saved. Well, isn't that a shame? Have you messed with any of the scripts? I have scripts added, but I haven't, like, written my own, if that's what you're thinking. So I'm thinking for this, should I use the multiple secrets script for this? Because the switch to the stairs is separate from the kill all enemies. I think I do, actually. Alright, let's add one quickly. Pretty sure it does. Yeah, I'm gonna get a good tile set and set it up properly when I do my actual quest. Let's see. You're gonna be 1, and I will set you to 16. Okay. Let's throw you down here. Okay. It doesn't really matter where this goes. I don't really care. Okay, that should work. Yes, I have Moosh switches, and I also have one created by Loot. I have his Secrets on Multiple Screens and Maps one. And I originally was using his to do what I'm doing here until, I think it was Dementio that said that your Multiple Secrets one was more specific and fitting to my current situation, which it definitely is. But in this quest, in my main quest, I definitely would want to have secrets transcending maps and screens, so I will be using his as well. Yeah, it really is helpful. It's very simple, but it's very powerful because you could have as many, I'm sure, as many secrets as you want almost on any screen. Let's go on this side. See if what I did works. And I've already gotten the hang of your script. As you can see, I set that up pretty quickly. Well, I don't know if I did it right, but I've memorized it. Okay, give me the key. Nah. I messed something up. Don't know why that's there. Interesting. Let's drill in the heck. Yeah, I didn't add sounds yet. Not to everything. Not everything, at least. Why did it turn into that combo? I'm not clear why it turned into those combos. Yeah, why did it turn into those? X and S, you could preview screen secrets, really? Oh. Wait, what was X? Preview mode. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Why did it give me that other... It's definitely with the combo. What did I do wrong? Why did it give me that Do you guys know why it did that? I have no idea why. Wait, yeah, that's something I was actually wondering. I was looking at your script. In ID. I forgot what that means. The flag is pretty self-explanatory. But the ID, I don't... It's for permanent secrets. Okay. So, for this situation... You said what? The combos you marked with the flag, using them get advanced by one. Right. But... Actually, what time is it? I'm gonna want to get to bed soon. Once I get this working, I'm probably gonna end the stream and head to bed. But... why is it giving me that random combo when I have I'm using flag 16? Yeah. It's this one. Okay, so which one was it placing? It was placing those. So, okay. I see what I need to do now. It's kind of annoying that I need to do this. I'll just put it here. For the trigger, I don't know if I do that, if that would mess other stuff up though. So I'm a little okay. I did not mean to continue. I'm a little reluctant to make it inherent. At least I don't think I made the other ones inherent. Okay. So that worked. Actually, shoot. I'll look at my other ones. The way I was going about this was I was just gonna play this dungeon and just see how it works, see how it functions. I'm gonna need to fix that tile, that step site. That I think it's sensitive, and that's the one I don't want. Okay, I already came from this way. I actually don't know what I can do right now. Like, you would think I would know exactly what I can and can't do, but I can't really think. I shouldn't be able to swim here, by the way. I'm just doing it because, you know. Okay, so... I never did go... Well, this way's a dead end. This current way is a dead end, but there's also this way. Although I shouldn't be able to go this way yet. Well, alright. Need a key. Ah, shoot. Yeah, it's a dead end. And I'm in for the long haul. Crap. Oh! I'm gonna need to review that. That was weird. Yeah, I gotta fix those flags. I thought I was able to grab a key by now. I can't believe I... Oh, I unlocked this path but never went this way. Okay. Ah, here's a key. Well, I mean, there will be a key here. Once I... Ooh, yeah, well, once I do this. I think I'm gonna end this here. Yeah, I have a lot of... I have a long way to go. And I'm fine with that. I do hope to be done with this quest within a week, and I think that's possible, considering how far I've come up until now. I think a week I can easily have this finished. So yeah, let me know if you guys still want me to do these streams. Very big first dungeon. Yeah, I didn't want to do something that basic. You know, I wanted to jump right in. Janky raft. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I'll keep these streams up. Why is this like this? I never touched this. Why did this get moved? Yeah, I don't know what was up with that. I've never touched that, so it's just... Wait, does doing that mess it up? Oh. Alright, well, let's not ever have that like that. Let's have that be as small as that. Alright, yeah, so I'll end this one here. I head back to school, like, the first day of class is September 3rd. So, I mean, technically I could do these streams every single night until September 3rd. Because obviously I'm going to, you know, classes start on the 3rd. So I'm not going to, I'll be back to my weekend cycle, where I'll just be doing streams on the weekends. And this is my current thing. I don't have any more Let's Plays. I actually have not played a single game other than this for the last about 2 weeks. And even like a week or two before that I didn't play anything. So, I have nothing recorded. I haven't even played anything. I've just been really engulfing myself in this. And I have been doing a lot of work with the... Let's close this. I've been doing a lot of work with the scripts. I talked to Venrob and he got a setup for me that works really well. I just simply import this one file and it imports all my scripts, and I agree with him that it works really well. I've been trying to organize it in a way. Luckily for me, I have a lot of... I've done nothing but teleport bread for the last 2 weeks. But I have a lot of programming background, so I've been... Also, Moosh, now that you're here, your programming is not that clean. I probably spent, I don't even know how long, just kind of cleaning up your code, getting it to my standards, but also what we were taught. I was taught by my professors, you know, between operators, operands, put a space, indenting, placement of the curly braces. I've just been cleaning it up, and I just think it looks so much better now. It's more readable, I feel, at least. So yeah, I spent a lot of time doing that. I don't know if I will use these other ones. I'm sure I will at some point, you know, maybe. You made them, so I don't know why you would make something that didn't have a need. So I'm sure I'll need that at some point. Yeah, and I'll probably format this all properly, and in case someone else wants to use anything I have here. I don't know why they would, considering I copied all this from other people, but I do plan, uh, like opening braces on the next line, savages. Well, that's what we're taught in school. Well, that's your style. That's your thing. That's fine. But I plan on having all custom scripted bosses. I don't want. I want it all to be custom. Um, I'm definitely gonna want to learn myself how to script enemies and bosses. I'm sure bosses are the same thing as enemies, just more menacing. Um, and I was even told by Evan to look at Ghost.z. Apparently that has, well, I'm pretty sure that would have all the like methods and everything that you would, methods, constants that you, globals that you need to call and use when making enemies. And I definitely plan on doing that. Like Isle of Birth really showed me what you can do a lot with bosses, and I'm sure even with 2.55 you could do even more. And you could be, you could always do something more creative than the past. Best library for making enemies. But yeah, I will be trying my hardest. I don't want to copy. Basically, I'll say this: I don't want to copy any item, enemy, or boss scripts. I might download some and look at some just to see how they are done, but I want to physically code all of my own items, bosses, and enemies. And considering how fast I've picked this up, and I've read through all this, all makes total sense to me. Like I don't know this enough to know like that just by heart, but reading it, I understand it. I found that I have a knack for understanding code that I read. I'm not really good at materializing new code. Not as good. Like I'm just not that experienced yet. Like even well with C++, obviously I know I can do that because I know the language and Java. But like with this kind of stuff, the syntax, I'm gonna it's gonna take me a little while to get it down to where I can just from a blank canvas write it all out. I don't have that memory of this yet. I mean, I've only been even interacting with scripts for like 4 days. I started with ZQuest about 2 weeks ago, but I started with scripting. I got my first script was the item cycle, and of course I literally didn't need to do anything with that since it's just this. And but yeah, like I reading it, I understand it. I just got to get to where I can. I know it enough that I can just do it. So yeah. Anyway, run the wait frame. Well, the wait frame, I understand why wait frame is used. Is that used as a just kind of a time buffer so that it's not running at all times? Like it has a second to wait for the next frame of the game, um, so it can recheck through everything that has to happen on that frame. Suspends the script until the next frame. Well, that's obvious, but I think the reason it does that is well, mainly for refreshing. You've got to refresh the game every single frame, and by waiting a frame, it's any like graphics or anything will be updated on that next frame. So you would call wait frame to just kind of tell it to wait to update for the next frame, which of course will be different based on any different variables that occurred within that next frame, such as a button being pressed or Link being in this coordinate, that kind of thing. Wait draw, which suspends until drawing ends. Okay. Some people have troubles organizing scripts that run for multiple frames. Oh, I see. And all you would do, I would think having it run for multiple frames, you would just have having confusing loops with timer variables. Yeah. Honestly, I think if you were to go like every 3 frames wait frame, you could just have like you could just have a standard count increment it by 1 each time it loops through, and then on every, say, multiple of 3, have it wait frame. So you would just mod it by 3, and if it comes out at 0, then you would have it wait frame. Otherwise, don't wait frame. But anyway, like I don't know. Makes sense to me. Some of it does. But there's a whole world of Z script that I need to delve into, and I plan on researching libraries and everything. Although I don't think I really need to research it. I could probably just look in Zelda Classic here. I'm sure that has everything I need in terms of methods, constants, and all that. So yeah, that'll definitely be it. It's 2 in the morning. So yeah, I hope the stream played well. It looks I only dropped 200 frames for a 3 hours. Wow, I didn't realize I've been streaming this long. All right, have a good night, everyone. Tomorrow night I will be continuing this. Hopefully, I will get all of my puzzles done, all of my puzzles, and then I can start actually like routing the dungeon, find the optimal route, and play through. I want to play through it in such a way that I'd be playing through it as if I'm blind, just to see like how it flows, how it plays, all that kind of stuff. And I was told by Venrob not to script enemies in 2.53, and because of that I said I would wait until my main quest before doing a scripted boss. But I would love to do a scripted boss for this. So, I don't know. We'll see. Have a good night, guys. See you tomorrow night if you want to join in. As usual, like 11 p.m. roughly. With his take there, really? So, Moosh, you don't think there'd be anything wrong with me scripting a boss for the end of this quest here in 2.53? Because I would want to. The thing is, I wanted this quest to be a little bit of everything. Everything. I mean, obviously I didn't make a scripted item, but I'm sure that wouldn't be too bad. Okay, so you definitely think it'd be a good idea for me to attempt, like, have my final boss in this quest be scripted. Okay. Fact, this might be a bit complicated, but I actually already had an idea for how I would mechanically have the final boss of my main quest work. That'd be too much of a spoiler. I might just make a random boss that would go somewhere in my main quest. Ghost Lake Library for... Oh. Okay. So yeah, so you definitely think it would be a good idea for me to script a boss then? And what is Ghost? Is that just all of the enemy specific stuff? Will be alternatives. Okay. All right. Well, I gotta end this stream. Yeah, if you guys want to talk more, you can get me on Discord. So, have a good night, guys.